Hello, welcome to Yoga with Madhura. Today I am going to share a very beautiful knowledge, Marma therapy, with you people. I recently had an opportunity to learn it and it is an eye opener. It's a very simple natural process to help to boost our immunity. It is non-invasive, there is no cut, surgery or anything. You can do it on your own, that's why it's also called self-Marma therapy. Marma points are basically the points in our body through which the energy travels. There are 107 important points. We'll be learning only 9, so which come under self-Marma therapy. We'll start with that today. In self-Marma therapy, we need to remember few things. It needs to be done only on empty stomach. Never do it after having food. Okay. The nails should be cut. If even little bit of nail are there, you may end up injuring yourself. There are a few other points which we need to remember while pressing these points. First and foremost is that we press only on exhale, never on inhale. Second, the pressure should be an affordable pressure. That is, you should be able to bear that pain. It should not be too painful. Unlike in acupressure where the pressure is too much, here it's only bearable pain. Third, we press these points only up to 0.8 seconds. That is even less than a second. Fourth is that we press 5 to 7 times, not more than that. If you press by chance more than that also, not exceed too much. Then last but not the least, for ladies especially, we start only with the left hand, then come to the right, and gents, they start with the right and then left. Right? So there are 9 important points on which we will be starting the Marma therapy now. The first point is called Adhipati Marma. For this, join all your fingers and we'll place it at the crown of the head. So we'll start with the practice. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7 and gently drop your hand. The second point is Amsha. For ladies, we'll be pressing on the left side. For gents, right side. To know the point, for ladies, just fold your right arm across your chest where the middle finger touches the neck and shoulder area. That is the point. For gents, you will fold your left arm and place your fingers here. The middle finger where it touches, that's the point for Amsha. We'll start with the practice. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 3, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Remember, we need to do on both the sides. Now, fold your left arm across your chest. Okay. Now, we'll start pressing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Gently drop your hand. Third point is Urvi. So we'll keep our arms straight. It is 8 fingers above the elbow joint. So 4 fingers, then 4 more fingers. Wherever the 4th finger touches, place your thumb there and rest of the fingers at the base so that you get the grip. Keep your hands straight. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7 and gently drop your hand. So we have to repeat on the other side also. 4 fingers, then 4 more, 8 fingers from your elbow. Keep your other fingers at the base. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Gently drop your hand. Fourth point is Ani. So for Ani, 4 fingers from your elbow, just place your thumb there, rest of the fingers at the base. Keep your hand straight so that you keep the correct point you are pressing. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now repeat on the other side. Remember, ladies, first you will be pressing your left, then right, and gents right, then left. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7 and gently drop your hand. So just a revision. First 1, 2, 3 Urvi, then Ani. 4 points done. Fifth point. Now fifth point is just one finger below the elbow. So keep all the fingers here, 4 fingers. The middle finger where it reaches below your elbow, that's the point. There are 2 points Kurpara in this, outer and inner. So first we will be pressing the outer one. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now Kurpara outer is done, so Kurpara inner. Okay, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now on the other hand, elbow, all the 4 fingers, middle finger where it reaches, that is Kurpara, one finger below the elbow. Okay, let's start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now Kurpara inner. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now next point is Indravasti. So 4 fingers, okay, from the elbow in line. Keep your hand straight so that all the points are in line with the middle finger. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now other hand also, 4 fingers from your elbows. Place your thumb there. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. So we have covered, what's the point? Last 3 are left. Okay. So this is Manibandha. The wrist, it's very easy. Just hold one wrist with the other hand. Okay. Palm facing front. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Other direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Okay. Other hand. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Change direction. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 3, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Okay. Now comes Kshipra Marma. So it's at the back side of the hand. So with the right thumb you place it here, the edge, the stretch between your thumb and your forefinger. Wherever the tip of the thumb touches, that is the Kshipra Marma. Keep your other fingers on the palm. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7 and relax. Change your hand. Okay. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7. Now we will come to the last point, Tan Hridaya Marma. Like you have heart on our left side, it's easy to remember that we will be pressing only on one hand, left hand, not the right. For men, women, for everybody, only on the left hand. So fold all your fingers. Okay. Now where the middle finger touches the palm, that's the point for Tal Hridaya. So use the thumb of the other hand, press it there. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7 and gently relax. So all these points are very important and you can press them at least thrice a day. Ensure that your empty stomach, that means at least 2 to 3 hours of gap between your meals. At that time you can press these points. Remember, pressing these points will not guarantee that there will be no problems in your life in future health related issues, but definitely we can delay or stop any other problems, any fresh issues from cropping up. Okay, so practices, if any issues, any message, feedback, please send it to me. I hope it helps you. Thank you.